Neat Bar Generation 2 here, which is Neat's small and medium room all-in-one video conferencing device. Let's see what's in the box. So right off the bat, we've got our little welcome message here on the first layer. In this Let's Get Started sleeve, we have a Get Started guide, which tells you about NeatPad. We'll talk about NeatPad in just a second, which pairs with Neat Bar Gen 2. You also have a couple of different cables here. So we give you an Ethernet cable and also an HDMI cable to get you started when you're installing it. A lot of stuff here that we're gonna go through, little warranty information, but we of course have the Neat Bar Gen 2 itself. There's that. And we also have several mounting options that allow you to choose based on where you're installing the device. So the first one is we've got a wall mount. This basically has 4 screw holes here in a pattern, so you can attach this to drywall or whatever your wall material is, and Neat Bar will just slide right on top of it. Underneath that, we also have what we call our snap-on mount. So the snap-on mount is a very simple mounting option with light adhesive that you can stick to the back of a computer monitor or a larger display on the wall. This just gives you a real quick and easy way to mount the bar if you have, if you're in a rush or maybe you don't have other options available to you. We also have our tabletop mount. So this allows you to put it again on a credenza, a desk in an office, the end of a conference table. Again, simple and easy if you don't have the option to remove the monitor off the wall and mount something a little more complicated. And here we have the mount adapter. So this attaches to Neat Bar and allows you to slide it onto any of these mounting options. Or if you'd like, we also have a VESA compatible mounting option to mount it to the back of a VESA compatible monitor that you can order separately from Neat or from your Neat partner. And then of course, last but not least, we have the power cable.